Hello, dear friends. I have prepared an interesting test on traffic rules for you. In this situation, you're the driver of a passenger car. You have the advantage. Answer options. 1. At both intersections, you have no advantage at all. 2. At both intersections. 3. Only at the second intersection. 4. Only at the first intersection. 30 seconds to think about it. Post your answer in the comments. The correct answer is number 2, at both intersections. Subscribe to the channel. Put a like and share the video with your friends. See you soon.